So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change your online status here on the Discord application. So once Discord's opened up, go to the bottom right and press on the U icon. Now once you're here, in the top left, press and hold on your profile picture. Now once you're here, it'll say change online status. So if you want to change it to online, you can change it to online. You can change it to idle. You can change it to do not disturb. You can also change it as well to invisible. So do whatever you have to do. But yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change your online status here on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.